Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today for the dual workout series brought to you by Moissanite, we're gonna have an inspiration of the green and the stories and the dreams of Jade. Get ready to dance, get ready to dream, get ready to be in another world. Because we've got a surprise at the end of the series, I'd really like you to do something. Go on Instagram and follow Lazy Dancer Tips and Moissanite. I won't tell you anything before the end. So if you're ready for this, find a space in your home and let's dream. 3. Change leg. Again. Change other way. Knee. Hold it. Knee. Again, knee. And change, ankle, and 1, bigger. And for the breath, slow. And change. Second. Push. Down. Push. And push. Slow. And roll down. Push. Lift. Push. Up here. Again. Push. Bring your knee up. Push in through. And again. Bring your knee. Push in front. And 1, 2, 3, got it. Again. Arms up. Keep on smiling. Down. Again. Other skip. Breathe. 2 jumps, we go. 1, up, 1, and up, 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 and down, and down, arms up, knee, push, bring it back, and down, knee, and push, bring it back, and down, 1, 2, 5, and down. To the side. We've done this. 1, 1, change. 1, 1, 1. Again, 4. 1. Hold your core. Hold your core. Again, other way. To the floor. 1, 2, walk up, back in, down, back up, and down, walk out, back in, down, walk out, back in this time. And breathe, up, and breathe, very good. Tippy toes, up, and breathe. We're ready to go down. Up, down, walk out, stay there, look up, down, back in, tippy toes, up, down, walk out, very good, out, down, back in. Down, walk out, down, back in, and go, up, down, walk out, very good, out, down, back in, down, walk out, take it longer, and down, and 1, down, walk out, longer, feel the sway, leg in front, 1, 2, 3, back, 1, 2, 3, again, 1, 2, 3, back, 1, 2, heel out, run the shoulders, 1, other leg, in front, again. Keep on swaying. Very well done, guys. I really hope this inspired you to be in another world, dreamy and kind of fairy-like. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Lazy Dancer Tips and Mon Moissanite, because we've got a surprise at the end of the Jewel series. I'll see you there. Ciao, guys.